Guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your is not working, so don't forget to subscribe for our channel. Open Flowise on your web browser, look into your account. So to make sure you never learn a problem with a flow make sure you run a fast internet connection and a stable connection. This is so crucial, so you must have a very good internet connection. The second option is to open a new tab on your Google Chrome or Google Edge or wherever you're running. Flowise AI, click on the three dots here, head over to Settings, search for Cache, and here click on Delete Browsing Data and Check Browsing Data, and choose Cache and Cookies, and check Download History, and here click Select All Time and click on Delete Data to start clearing the cache and making Flowise run smoothly on your computer. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.